In the era of rapid development of modern technology, our lives are surrounded by various devices and systems. However, when these devices malfunction, we often feel confused and helpless. Therefore, accurately identifying the root cause of the problem and resolving the malfunction has become an urgent issue that we need to address. Fault tree analysis, as a powerful tool for problem solving, helps us uncover the root cause of problems by systematically analyzing data. From collecting data to building fault trees, to analyzing logic, fault tree analysis helps us dissect problems step by step and dig deeper into the underlying causes of failures. Then let's take a look at how the FTA operates in MappingSpace. In the Quality Management System standards of the automotive industry, the FTA is a recommended tool and method, which is applicable to problem solving and error proofing in product design. The FTA can help us identify the possible failure modes and causes, calculate the probability of failure occurrence, and guide the improvement of fault diagnosis as well as the improvement and maintenance plans for usage. In our product, the function of FTA is provided. For users who haven't purchased the FTA, we offer FTA example files so that you can experience for yourself the power of this function. For users who have already purchased the FTA, you can enter the FTA mode in any file and conduct in-depth fault tree analysis. Under the View tab on the Mind Map page, you can enter the FTA mode by clicking the FTA button. The FTA has three types of nodes: top event nodes, intermediate event nodes, and bottom event nodes. Both the top event nodes and the intermediate event nodes are followed by logic gates numbered starting from 0, and there are two options for the logic gates: AND gate and OR gate. You can switch the type of logic gate by clicking. The bottom event nodes are followed by bottom event types numbered starting from 0. By default, they are circular, representing basic events. You can switch the bottom event type by clicking. The diamond represents the unexplored event. In the FTA view, operations such as adding and modifying nodes are not allowed. If you need to add or modify nodes, please exit the FTA view to do so. Here, let's add a new node. The logic gate of the newly added node is blank by default, and you need to manually select the logic gate. Except for the bottom event nodes, each node should have at least two subsequent nodes before the FTA calculation can be carried out. If there is only one node following this node, you need to exit the FTA view, add nodes, and then conduct the calculation. When the icon in the upper left corner can be clicked, the FTA calculation can be carried out. Our product supports the following four types of calculations: finding the minimum cut sets, finding the minimum path sets, calculating the structural importance degree, and calculating the occurrence probability of the top event. First of all, we will show you the operation of finding the minimum cut sets using sample data. Next, we will show you the operation of finding the minimum path sets. Then, we will show you the structural importance degree of the fault tree. Now, we will show you the occurrence probability of the top event. Firstly, you need to fill in the occurrence probability of each basic event. When filling in the probabilities, we also support the input of fractions. If there are a large number of basic events, you can click the button at the bottom to quickly locate the first unfilled position. After filling in all the probabilities, click the Calculate button. And then the calculation of the occurrence probability of the top event can be carried out. Meanwhile, this step will store the probabilities of the bottom events. When we exit this page and enter it again, we will find that this page can display the data of the last calculation. If you need to clear all the data at once, just click the Reset button. That's all about the FTA in MappingSpace. I hope this video can help you better understand and use the FTA. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or need further inquiries, please feel free to contact us at any time.